Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on appearing offline on Facebook Messenger. This is very easy to do. I'll show you how to do it on both the website and the app, starting with the website. Go to messenger.com and log in to your account. Click on the Settings button at the top left of the screen. Now click on Settings. In the Settings menu, there is a toggle called Show When You Are Active. Disable that toggle. You will now appear offline to your Facebook contacts. I'll now show you how to do it on the Messenger app. When you are on the Messenger main page, tap on your profile image button at the top left of the screen. Now tap on Active Status. From here, you can tap the toggle to appear offline. Note that when you appear offline, you are not able to see the active status of your friends, just like they can't see it for you. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more messenger tips and tricks.